Hi, we are from IFRoS 4. My name is Faran.
And my name is Nwafor Chibuzo.
In this video, we are going to explain the integration project, which includes perception, planning, and intervention. The robot we are using is TurtleBot 2, which have Kobuki base and 4 degrees of freedom robotic manipulator.
To achieve this integration task, first, the robot does not know its environment. So we let it explore, detect Haruko markers, and manipulate objects autonomously. We do all these things using behavior trees.
Starting with planning, we are doing visual exploration with only RGBD camera.
The core exploration technique that we are using is nest-based view. We sample random candidates, select the best candidates based on information gained.
After selecting the best views, we use RRT to plan a path and Dubins curves to respect the non-holonomic constraints of our robot.
So while exploring, we also detect Haruko. If Haruko is detected, the robot plans a path to it.
The planning will be followed by manipulation behaviors, which includes move base, orient, and move arm. All of these behaviors are based on task priority, which respects the joint limits and joint positions.
So after picking the object, the robot goes to its initial start position and drop it. The exploration continues as the robots explore the unknown environments.
Thanks for watching.